Okay, today we will discuss about the nature of the different solutions which are used in daily life. Okay, these are the different solutions. So this is the lemon solution, and this is the curd, and it is surf, and it is tamarind solution, and it is coke, and it is lead nitrate solution, and it is paste, okay, toothpaste, and it is milk, and here it is calcium chloride solution, now it is sodium hydroxide solution, and it is baking soda, now it is salt, now it is coffee. Okay, so by using different litmus papers, these are the litmus papers, which is it is in what color? It is in blue color, and it is in red color. Okay, na? And by using the red litmus and blue litmus, and also by using the universal indicator, we will classify the different substances into acids, bases, and salts. Okay, so by changing its color, by classifying them as by changing the color. Okay, if it changes the blue color into red, we group into one, and if the substances which are change the red litmus into blue color, again we classify into the other. And next one, if there is no change in both litmus papers, blue litmus and red litmus, we group it as another, and then it indicates we will classify all the substances into three. One is the color which changes the blue litmus into red, and the other substances which turns the red litmus into blue, and the third one which doesn't change any litmus paper into color. That means blue litmus, there is no change in the blue litmus paper and no change in the red litmus paper. Okay, now we will classify them by using the litmus papers. Now I will put the blue litmus paper into curd, make it with some water. Now I will we will add it some water into the curd to make a liquid. So now I place the blue litmus paper into in the curd. It turns into, it is in red color. So the litmus paper turns in, blue litmus paper turns into red color. Okay, now I will use again the blue litmus paper in surf, whether it is changes or not. So there is no change in the color in the surf liquid. Okay, now I move into another solution, that is lemon solution, and the blue litmus paper turns into red color. Now we will move into the another solution, that is, what is this? Coffee. So whether the color changes or not. So it color changes into red. Now we will go to salt water, whether there is any change in what the color or not. There is no change in the color. Now we will move into the tamarind. Okay, solution, whether there is a change in color or not. So what happens? The blue litmus color changes into red. Now we will go and dip the blue litmus paper into coke. So again the color changes into red. Now move into lead nitrate, whether the color changes or not. So there is no change in the blue litmus paper. Now we go, I dip into the, what is this? Paste water, and there is no change in the color. Now I dip into milk. There is a slightly change into red color. Okay. Now I will go into the calcium chloride solution. So again there is no change. So now it is sodium hydroxide. So there is no change in the color of blue litmus paper. Now the last one is baking soda. Whether it is changes into the color or not. So there is no change in the color. So here some solutions. The first one is lemon. Its color changes into red, and curd, its color changes into red, and there is tamarind, and its color changes into red, and coke, the color changes into red, and milk, the color changes into red, and is there any other? Coffee. So the last one, coffee, its color also changes into red. So these are the substances which the blue litmus paper color changes into red. So we classify the substance which are react in the blue litmus paper, and they are called as acids. Okay. Now we will check by using the red litmus paper whether there is any change in the paper or not. So now I will place into the curd. There is no change in the curd. Moving to lemon. Again there is no change in the color. Here it is coffee. There is no change in the color. Here it is surf. Here you observe carefully. So the color changes into blue. The red litmus paper color changes into blue. Now we move into the tamarind, and the color may not changes the color. If color remains same, and move into the coke. Again there is no change in the color. Now it is lead nitrate, whether it changes into the color or not. So there is no change in the color. Now we move into, what is that? Paste water. We observe carefully, and the color changes into blue. Okay. Now I paste into the milk, and there is no change in color. I place into calcium chloride. Again there is no change in the color. I place into sodium hydroxide. Carefully look into carefully observe that the color changes into red litmus paper changes into blue color. Now I move into baking soda. You may observe that it is also the color change. What is the last one? Salt solution. So if you dip into the salt solution, so there is no change. So finally we will observe that some solutions react with blue litmus paper, some are react with red litmus paper, some are no reaction with either blue or red. Okay, what are those? The solutions which not reacted. This is the first one, which is salt. There is no reaction. And one more is calcium chloride. There is no change in color. Next, what it is? Pb, lead nitrate. There is no change in color. So the substances which there is no change in the red litmus and blue litmus are called as salt solutions. Okay, now there are some substances or some solutions which changes their color red litmus into blue. The first one is, what is this? Salt. The next one is, what is the next one? Paste. Its color changes. And what is the other one? Sodium hydroxide. In sodium hydroxide reactant changes into blue color. And is there any other? Baking soda also changes the red litmus into blue color. So the solutions or substances which changes the red litmus into blue are called as bases, and the solutions which are blue litmus changes into red are called as acids. So can you classify the acids into one group? So this is lemon is acid, curd is acid, next tamarind is an acid, next coke is an acid, coffee is also an acid, next milk is also a slightly acid. Is there any other solution? So these are all acids. So classify into the other. Surf is a base. The next one, a baking soda is a base. The next one, sodium hydroxide is a base. Next one, is there any paste solution? Is also a base. So these are all acids and these are all bases, and there are others, and these are all salts. So we classify them as three groups. These are all acids, bases, salts. Now I will use there is another indicator, that is synthetic indicator. It is called as phenolphthalein solution. So phenolphthalein, whether it is react with acids or not, or bases, we will identify. So what is this? This is surf water. I will place some drops. So after placing a few drops into the surf, its color, what is the color?
Pink.
So phenolphthalein indicator turns pink color in what are these? Base. I will identify again. So again there is a change in color pink. What is this? Again there is a change in color pink, and it is paste. Again its color changes into pink. So these are all in phenolphthalein indicator. These are all reacted and they are turns the color into pink. So now we will identify in salt solution. So there is no change, no change in the salts. And now I will check whether the acids are reacted. There is no change. Again there is no change in the tamarind. There is no change, no color change in the curd or milk. No change in lemon, and there is again no change in coffee. What is this? Coke. Even though in Coke also there is no change. So only a limited solutions which are bases are react with phenolphthalein solutions, and they turn into pink color. Okay. Now in the next class we will explain the pH levels and the colors of pH indicator or universal indicators in all the substances. Okay. By using the universal indicator, we will classify all the solutions or substances into again three groups: acid, bases and salts. Now we'll observe whether the color of the lemon solution changes into the what color. So you place this and match the color. So it may appears into 5. So the pH of lemon may be 5. Now it is the curd solution and you may match it. So for which it is maybe 6. Now we will use it into tamarind. So you have to say class pay matching. Is it okay? So the color of tamarind is nearly the color of 3, pH of 3. Now I will place it into milk. So match it. 5 or 6 or 7? What?
7.
So to identify which color it is?
6.
5, 7 or 6?
6.
You identify it?
6.
What?
6.
So it is nearly around 6. Now what is this? This is Coke solution. Now you match the color of the Coke solution. What is the color? So it might be 1. Next, what is it? What it is?
Coffee.
Coffee. So match it.
5.
Which color it is?
5.
Is it 5? Okay.
Okay.
So the pH may be 5. So now we move into another substances and they are already classified into salts. The color may be changes and what is the near color
14.
of it is
14.
14. It is surf solution. Okay. Now we dip into the other solution. So what is this solution? NaOH. Maybe NaOH. Okay. So match it. This might be. Is it okay? 12 or 13? 12. So maybe the surf of pH of surf is 12. Okay. Next one. What is this solution? Name? Here it is. No. These are all salt. Maybe NaOH it is. Okay. Now here it is. So now you match the color of surf solution.
14.
It might be 14. Okay. Yes, 14. Now you dip into paste water. Match the color.
10.
Is it okay? 10. The pH of paste is toothpaste is 10. Okay. Now we will go into the other solutions.
Soap.
Salts. So there is no change in color and might be 7. Again there is no change in color, it might be 7. Again there is no change in color, it might be 7. So in salt solution the universal indicator shows the it is green color and it may be the pH of salts are nearly 7. Okay, so you may observe that all the acid solutions, the pH of acid solutions are less than 7. Their pH values are less than 7, and for bases they are greater than 7, more than 7, and up to 14. And whereas for salts, its pH value should be 7. Okay, so this is how we may classify all the material, all the substances which are used in our daily life into acid, bases and salts. Okay, right.